Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are dealing with this time very nicely. It can be very bad for a few people, but it can be very progressive and very beautiful for a lot of people. So I hope you're making the best of it. And today I want to do Surya Namaskar to you. Surya Namaskar I'm going to do very basic one. So जो beginners के लिए भी बहुत easy रहेगा करना, follow करना. सूर्य नमस्कार से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It is a beautiful vinyas that our ancestors have given to us. इसके इतने benefits हैं कि मैं लिस्ट बनाने में थक जाऊंगी. So I can just name a few. जिनको menstrual issues हैं, it will ensure that you have regular menstrual cycle. Digestive issues resolve होते हैं. Knee issues ख़त्म होते हैं. बैक इश्यूज में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती, दे आर रिजॉल्व्ड. इट इंश्योर्स बेटर स्लीप. एंजाइटी लेवल्स डाउन करते हैं. जिनको ब्लड प्रेशर के इश्यूज है, जिनके लेवल हाई रहते हैं, उनके ब्लड प्रेशर डाउन करते हैं. इंसोम्निया को फाइट करता है. इट गिव्स यू अ बेटर स्लीप. इट रिलीव्स, इट हेल्प्स यू विद माइल्ड डिप्रेशंस, hypertensions, and so on so forth. Surya Namaskar has immense benefits. So it is a beautiful vinyas that we have been given with to, and let us start with our basic Surya Namaskar. So आप सबसे पहले अपने मैट के आगे के पोर्शन में आ जाएंगे एंड आप अपने पैर वी शेप में रख सकते हैं या इनको स्लाइटली ओपन इस तरह से रख सकते हैं. So now, roll your shoulders in the back, stand tall, breathe in and breathe out, very slow and long. Inhale and exhale. Make sure whenever you are doing any exercise while standing, you do not close your eyes. So we will start with inhalation and stretching yourself up. Exhale and we go down. We place both our hands right next to our feet and knees slightly bent. This will help you give a very nice stretch in your back. अच्छे से अपनी नीज को बेंड कर लीजिए. फॉर बिगिनर्स ऑल्सो इट इज़ गुड एंड फॉर रेगुलर practitioners it is also very good. So no need to stretch your leg like this. You can bend your knees and roll down. Then you will move with your right leg in the back. Relax your knees and feel the stretch in your right inner thigh. Like this. जिनके पैर यहाँ हैं, जो ये कर रहे हैं, उनसे मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है ये नहीं करेंगे. अवॉइड नी इंजरीज इन दिस वे. जो अपने पैर आगे लाना चाहते हैं, सो होल्ड योर एंकल विद योर हैंड एंड पुश देम इन द फ्रंट. देन प्लेस योर हैंड्स palms next to your feet and stretch. Give it a nice stretch. You will feel a good stretch in your thigh. Now from here we will go into the mountain. Exhale and come in the mountain. Stretch your shoulders in the back. Flatten your back. Stretch your legs. Try to reach the mat with your heels. From here we will come into a plank, full plank, and slowly bring your knees down and gradually bring your chin and chest together. यहीं से हम आएंगे भुजंगासन में, into the cobra. Inhale and come into cobra. Shoulders push back, chest out, chin up, reaching the ceiling. From here, with the help of your knees, you can come back into mountain like this, or those who don't have a problem, they can directly from the cobra come back into the mountain like this. Then bring back your right foot in the front and stretch the other thigh. And from here we will come back to the third position, Padhastasana. Bend your knees. Inhale and rise up, stretch and relax. So this is one half of the Surya Namaskar. Let's start with the other half. Come on, bring it on, guys. Breathe in and stretch. Exhale and bend down. Slightly bend your knees. Reach your head towards your knees. Now this time we will go with the left leg in the back. Relax your knees and give it a nice stretch. Place your palms again onto the floor, onto the mat, and bring your other foot back and come into the mountain. From here, come into the plank, knees down and chin and chest down like this. And from here, come into the cobra. Back into the mountain. Left leg forward and stretch. This is the range of your knee. You will not bring your knee beyond your toe. Stretch and bring both your feet together. Bend your knees. Rise up. Breathe in and relax. So this is our Surya Namaskar, basic Surya Namaskar for all beginners and regular practitioners. डेली के अगर आप 5 से 7 राउंड भी करते हैं, it is, I think, enough and the most beautiful way to stay fit and healthy. So thank you for today. We will come back tomorrow with new variations and I'm sure you will do it.